What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Xman Co. Today I'm going to show you how to make a braai broodjie South African style. Stay tuned. So this dish is awesome, perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, whatever you call it where you are in the world. Us South Africans, traditionally, we like to add this to our main dish, which is meat. Our star guest for the day, our ingredients. What you see here is all you need for this awesome dish. Right, first of all, some butter, mayonnaise, some chutney, your cheeses, I've got Gouda, mozzarella, your tomato, onion, salt and pepper for taste. That's all. Let's get right into it. We've got some butter right here. All these veggies and this cheese, we need to cut it up to get it on the bread. Let's do that. The cheese is the best part of this whole experience. You always need some cheese. Say cheese. Inside over there. And we're gonna grill it like that. This is obviously to give it some flavor and so it doesn't stick. Gives it that nice color as well, brown in color. Right, let's get straight into it. So first of all, what we use is some mayonnaise, some chutney, you don't need to use the mayonnaise and the chutney, but we found that's the best. It's very nice like this. So after that, we need a little bit of cheese, thin layer. We mix the cheeses, because remember the one's got the flavor and the one pulls. And we like the combination there, so we are really going to play with it today. So we're quite happy with that. But please explore. Nobody can tell you you're not allowed to use this spice or that spice. Have fun while making it. The reason why we put cheese on is because it holds everything together from the start to the end. And cheese is nice. And nobody can tell you you're using too much cheese. Let's do it. You don't need to use a grit like this. I like to use it, keeps everything together. Very easy to brown, like this. You can just put it with a spatula on there, be careful. One on top, one at the bottom, turn it nice and slow. You can do that, nothing stops you. So you don't have to go and spend money on this. Let's do this. Most important thing to remember is that, oh here that sizzle. We want to turn and flip it over as many times as we can. So there's no rule saying every minute or whatever, because sometimes the fire is just too hot with the butter and it burns. Once it's brown on the outside, the insides will be perfect. We know that. So our cheese will be melting, everything else will be nice and warm, spices mixed in there. That's exactly what we want. I think this is good. We got ourselves some braai broodjies here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Look how juicy that is. Right? Look at that. Yeah. This is very hot, so we're going to give it 2-3 minutes to rest. We're going to cut it up. You guys with me? Let's do this. Right. Look at that, eh? Let's see what we have on this side, yeah. Look at that. Shall we take a bite? I think we shall. This is popping in your mouth. Guys, if you like what we're doing here, like, share, subscribe, enable those notifications so that you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Oh, this is so nice. I'm gonna have another bite. Cheers.